Today I have this wall socket from BSEED. What we have inside is again glass frame, instructions, and the socket. It's a smart Zigbee socket. You have a switch here to turn it on off, and that is it. I think here we have also this frame which will hold on the socket in the wall box. So that's it. Okay, this is the switch that I will replace. It's an old one. This is the 60mm box, and box needs to have these things for the screws, so that we can put this frame here. Okay, this is now the socket installed, the wall. So now it's in pairing mode. You can turn it off or on. So the next thing is that I will do the integration in Home Assistant. Okay. Okay, now we are in Home Assistant screen. I will go to Zigbee to MQTT because I'm using that, and I will push permit join button. So now I need to push again the button on the device to start pairing mode. Once when it starts pairing and when it's paired, you will see it here in the list as a new device. 1 second. Now it is in pairing mode. Okay, now it recognizes TUIA plug. I will rename this device to see it in Home Assistant. I will name it as a 3D printer, because my printers are connected to that and I want to monitor the printer consumption. Here is what it exposed, so actually the power, current, voltage, energy. Also we have a child lock, and then we can turn on or off the LED, put the countdown timer and switch it on or off. So basically that is it. Now let's see what we have in energy part. This is my energy part, energy distribution. So what I want to see it is in this graph. I will add it here in this section, just to see the consumption, but also I would like to see consumption in energy distribution part. So okay, let's find the gauge part and then add this one as a power. Yep. Okay. Now the next thing is that I will add in the energy distribution. I will add it as a single device here. Okay, it needs to be refreshed like 5 minutes or so just to see the device consumption. I'm also using power flow card configuration, so I will add this device also here, and once when it starts consuming the energy, you will see it here. The devices that I have here are heating part, and also it will okay, so basically when the printer starts working, you can see the consumption here in this part. Also here in the MISC you see the power consumption, you can see the history, and Zigbee to MQTT. If you go to this device and see what it exposes, you can see how much energy does it consume, current power, voltage. Basically that's it. In the energy part you can see that the energy distribution, this is consumption based on the day, so we can check the whole month, and you can see here I have 13 kilowatt hours consumed energy by the 3D printers. Okay, so that's it. Bear in mind that all these videos are not sponsored by anyone, so please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.